vertical ring die pellet machine. YGKJ centrifugal efficient vertical ring die pellet machine is by our company technical staff carefully developed. The first national patent products. This series of products are applicable to rice husk, peanut shell, branches and trunks, bark, etc. All kinds of wastes, crop, straw, and sawdust. 5 characteristics of vertical ring die pellet machine. 1. The mode vertical installation. Run static. Vertical feeding directly in pelletizing room. 2. Roller rotate. Materials are evenly distributed around pelletizing room because of centrifugal force. 3. Double layer die. 2 layers both can be used for reduce the cost, high efficiency and save money. 4. The main shaft and the hollow shaft adopts German imported alloy structural steel by water forging, rough car, heat treatment, precision and precision grinding process. The structure is reasonable, uniform hardness, improve the parts of fatigue resistance and wear resistance, running more stable. 5. Dry part of the bearings and oil seals are used in high precision bearings. And imported wear-resistant temperature fluorine rubber oil seal. And in particular, the addition of lubricating oil return system, automatic timing to oil lubrication, ensure adequate lubrication of bearings, running safe and reliable. Drum wood chipper. Drum wood chipper frame contain blade roller, upper and down below feeding system, supply device, hydraulic buffer system, and the electrical control system. The device let the materials fall and effective crushing in the crushing cavity. High yield, low energy consumption. It can be a variety of hardwood, bamboo, and other materials cut into uniform chips. It can also handle the materials into chips, such as slab, veneer, bamboo, wood branches, straw, and other non-wood fiber rods, and other materials. Straw crusher and stump crusher. Straw crusher and stump crusher is a new designed peeling equipment. It's composed of rotary silo, rotary rotor, efficient oil pump driven by driving means, widely used to crush big stump material. It can also crush the baled straw after changing inner blade. Fast feed, high efficient. Rotary dryer. The hot air move from the front to the rear of machine with the materials at the same time by heat conduction, convection, and radiation to transfer the heat, which will directly transfer the thermal to the materials. Then the moisture of materials constantly being evaporated in the rotary dryer. There's a fan blower that is located on the spout machine. It can extract a large amount of moisture and wet airflow to prevent the second pollution from the discharging of dust. Through inner screw mixer, sweeping loose, copy board to move the materials forward and then complete the drying process. Double rotor hammer mill. YSCD series high-efficiency double rotor hammer mill is widely used in the crushing of wood and straw, containing 2 rotors. The relative rotation increases the probability of the positive impact of the hammer piece on the material. Complete crushing, high efficiency. Changes in the crushing indoor sport route make full use of crushing chamber space to expand the area of the screen mesh and maximize the protection of the screen. Screen service life is improved by more than 1 time. Counterflow cooler. It uses the principle of counter current to make the pellet cooled sufficiently and evenly. Using a unique slide valve is a mechanical vibration nesting, smooth operation, nesting smooth, no noise. The cooling effect is remarkable, greatly improve the quality of pellet. Biomass burner. Biomass burner used biomass pellets, wood chips, etc. as fuel. In suspension boiling, half gasification, pyrolysis combustion way. Produce hot flame through radiation, convection heat transfer send the high temperature to thermal equipment. Biomass burner widely using in food processing industry, printing industry, coating industry, spray paint, heating, bathe, etc. industry. Energy compensation and environmental protection. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide. Emissions is low, easy operation, and it can control fire temperature and airflow. Twin shaft paddle mixer. The twin shaft paddle mixer is widely used in feed produce and chemical industries. The mixer rotates in low speed, combined in high efficient. Can be add other liquid. Its full open door structure. No leakage of material quickly. No residue, efficiently stirred. YHKJ series horizontal ring die pellet machine. It's widely used in processing complete compound feed with various requirements in feed mill, farm plant. When pelleting, the temperature rise in a moderate range, so it can protect the raw materials, micro-elements. Good tasty and animal eat much more in one time. Easy to digestion and absorption. Its finished pellet diameter can be adjusted from 2 mm to 8 mm, and the length varies from 5 mm to 20 mm. In this way, to make it suitable for animal different growth periods.